be selling it. He said he did not sell cable. That you do collect the cable from him, Sheyi, and one other guy. Tiny, thank you. Those three guys that have been working for you. There are times you give them 20,000, 40,000, 15,000 when you collect the cable. So now I want you to react to that.
Point of correction. I don't have anybody that is working for me. She is not working for me. Tiny is not working for me. According to as you said, that those working for me. I don't have company where they work. Like I said earlier, I am the chief supervising officer for the zonal
No,
commander.
you say you are the
That is
zonal
what I'm saying.
commanding.
Now it's still supervising.
On the 26th of October, which is last month, I was working in another company since last 2 years when I come out from Lagos town.
So láti tó bí ẹ̀mélòó lẹ ti bá mú cable bọ́ta tó dẹ̀ ti wá gbà lọ́wọ́ yín. Bí èlé ló ti fún yín.
Ìgbà tá a kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nígbà yẹn wọ́n máa ń fún wa ní 15,000. 15,000 kò ń ṣe èèyàn kan o, papọ̀ la èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan ni mo mì níbẹ̀ yẹn.
No, kò tí ì yé mi, wọ́n máa fún 15k.
Like àwọn mẹ́ta 45,000. So èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan. So later ó di 20,000. Ìgbà míì kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n lè máa fún wa ní 25,000. But ìyẹn bóyá bí ẹ̀kan ṣá.
Ṣé bí cable tẹ bá mú síta bá ṣe
bó bá ṣe kiri nísìnyí.
Ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé bolo mú àǹtà sí.
A kú dédé àkókò yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ti ń bá wa bọ̀ láti bí ọjọ́ méjì mẹ́ta kan sẹ́yìn, ẹ ti máa gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ eléyìí tó ti wáyé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ Lagos Star. Ìyẹn eléyìí tó jẹ́ Lagos Star Wire and Cable Company nílùú Sádà. Eléyìí tí wọ́n kọ ìwé ẹ̀sùn ránṣẹ́ sí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá wípé àwọn fura sí àwọn tí wọ́n ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ wípé wọ́n ń jí àwọn ohun èlò tó jẹ́ ti iléeṣẹ́, pàápàá jùlọ lórí ikú èèyàn mẹ́ta kan eléyìí tó jẹ́ wípé ipasẹ̀ kan náà ni wọ́n fi ń pa wọ́n. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń ṣe àdúrà wípé tèmi ti yàn àníkú sóko wá nǹkan jẹ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ní báyìí ẹ fìdílé nǹkan o, kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí tí Rilwan tó sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dí eléyìí tí ó ṣà ń tẹnumọ́ pé àní òun ọ̀ṣẹ̀. Nígbà míì mo máa ń sọ wípé ìkà ló máa rojọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ìkà kọ́ ló máa dà. Mo mọ̀ pé olóye àti ọlọ́gbọ́n lẹ́yìn tí ẹ jẹ́ èèyàn tẹ́ ń wò wá nìkan nìyí. Kí lójú wòye yín gan lórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ sì wà lẹ́yìn o, nítorí wípé ìkan tó kù wọ́n ń sọ wípé ẹ má ti jẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Tó bá máa fi dìwòye ọ̀la, ẹ ó wò ó kí lójú wòye yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run bá àjọṣepọ̀ wọ̀ ní ìbàjẹ́ tí ó bàjẹ́ òní wà rìn wa. Àní kú sóko wá nǹkan jẹ o. Ẹni tí ò ṣe òní sànṣẹ́ wa. Ọlá àjẹkùn ṣiṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
Kí lorúkọ yín sà?
Orúkọ mi ni Àtọ̀dá Rilwan.
Àtọ̀dá Rilwan. Ẹ tó bí ọmọ ọdún mélòó?
Ọmọ 31 years.
Ọmọ olùgbò ni.
Ọmọ Ogun State.
Sáàdì
Olopa State. Ṣàgám.
Apábó Ṣàgám.
Mi ò lọ lé rí o, kò ṣàgám.
Ìbọ̀lẹ̀ gbé dàgbà.
Èkó ni mo gbé dàgbà.
Kí lorúkọ kọ́ńtì tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ṣiṣẹ́ tí ọlọ́pàá?
Lagos Star.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló gbé yín dé ilé ìwé ẹ̀rọ?
Ní on the 31st tí mo débi iṣẹ́.
31st oṣù.
October 31st. Mo débi iṣẹ́ ní alẹ́. Ọdún náà kó tó di 31st. Ní on the 29th mo débi iṣẹ́. Ó rí pé company ó yàtọ̀ pé bóyá wọ́n ti change security. So mo rí pé wọ́n ti change security. So àwa táwa ní company wa ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn wo ni ó wà ní company. So ìgbà tó di ọjọ́ kejì ó rẹ̀ mí, mi ò lọ ibi iṣẹ́. Ìgbà tó wá di ọjọ́ kẹta on the 31st, ìgbà tí mi ò ṣe nǹkan kan tí ò dáa. Ìgbà tó di ọjọ́ kejì on the 31st, mo lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́. So ìgbà tó wá di kò pẹ́ tí mo débi iṣẹ́ mo change tí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ lọ ni mo kọ̀ wí pé àwọn mọ̀pó wá bá mi ni. Wọ́n ní pé wọ́n ní kó arrest mi. Kó arrest mi kẹ̀. Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ni okay. Ìgbà tó ṣàyà bàbá olówó tó ní company wọ́n ṣá pè ní orí fóònù. Ìgbà yẹn ló fi arrest mi àti security tó kù nísìn. wọ́n ní pé pé kò sí nǹkan kan pé kí àwọn mọ̀pú tó wà arrest wa pé kí wọ́n má fọwọ́ kọ́ wa pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe investigation ni pé ká try ká complete pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá pé kò sí nǹkan kan kò sí wàhálà àgbà tí mo ti ṣe ọkàn. So ọjọ́ yẹn ṣá wọ́n gbé wa lọ sí police station ní Ìgbẹ̀sà. Ní Ìgbẹ̀sà yẹn a lò ọjọ́ méjì ńbẹ̀. A tẹ̀ máa ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ DPO pé kí ni nǹkan tá a ṣe tí ẹ fi wá síbí báyìí, at least wọ́n máa ní téèyàn tẹ̀ bá ṣe nǹkan téèyàn bá dé police station ẹ máa rojọ́ pé nǹkan báyìí ni mo ṣe o, but DPO yẹn ní ká má worry pé ọ̀sán nǹkan tá a ṣe fún àwọn. So ìgbà tó wá di ọjọ́ Saturday which is ọjọ́ kẹta ọjọ́ tí wọ́n ti arrest wa ni àwọn ilé wọn wá kó wa láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n kó wa wá síbí báyìí. So wọ́n wá kó wa dé bí báyìí. Ìgbà tá a dé bí báyìí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé anything tá bá máa sọ pé kó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ òtítọ́ òdodo. Wọ́n dẹ̀ béèrè question lọ́wọ́ wa pé èèyàn kan kú ní factory ọ̀dọ̀ wa. No, kí n tó kọ́kọ́ sọ yẹn wọ́n kọ́kọ́ sọ pé kí ni àwọn nǹkan tí mo máa ń ṣe ní inú Lagos Star. Wọ́n á ṣàlàyé fún wọn pé ní ìgbà kan rí torí à ń ṣe mọ́ nígbà kan rí a máa ń fi copper sí ara. So àwọn ló máa ń security tó dìde nísìnyí àwọn ló máa ń check wa tó bá ti wò wá lẹ̀ àwọn ló máa ń check wa tó bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ a máa drop ẹ̀.
Ok, ẹ jẹ́ sáré ìbéèrè kan, ọdún mélòó lẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní Lagos Star yìí?
Mo wọ Lagos Star ní January 16, 2020. 2020? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ok, láti 2020 sí 2024 yìí mélòó lẹ kàn ti mú kébù?
Ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ náà cause kò ń ṣe every time la máa ń ṣe ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan náà la kàn máa ń ṣe.
Kébù tẹ máa ń ṣe yẹn àwọn ló máa ń rà àwọn lẹ máa ń tà fún bí èèlò ló kéré tán tẹ máa ń tà?
Àwọn kì í máa ń tà tá bá ti mú bẹ́ẹ̀ tá bá ti fi sílé tó bá ti pọ̀ díẹ̀ ẹni tí ó dìde ní báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ló máa wá.
Ta ló ní tàn mí mẹ́dárúkọ ẹni ẹ̀dá rẹ̀ tì?
Odiaon.
Bí ìgbọ́?
Odiaon. So àwọn ló máa gbà ní ọwọ́ wa.
Ok, lè tó túmọ̀ sí pé Odiaon lẹ máa ń bá mú kébù yẹn jáde. Ta ló gbà yín síṣẹ́?
Lagos Star ló gbà mí síṣẹ́.
Lagos Star ló gbà yín síṣẹ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Láti ipasẹ̀ company wo?
No, mo lọ ṣiṣẹ́ mo lọ ṣiṣẹ́ mẹ́ta èmi ṣe security inú factory ọ̀gbọ́n lèmi ti ń ṣiṣẹ́.
Báwo lẹ ṣe wá mọ Odiaon?
Ní hand to hand as in nínú factory bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn náà ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ láì bí chief àwọn ni olórí àwọn security.
Bó sọ nínú ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lòun òṣìṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ pé.
Lagos Star yẹn náà inú factory tí wọ́n ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ láì tí òun head inú ẹ̀ náà ló wà so òun náà dẹ̀ lórí àwọn security bẹ́ẹ̀ as bí èmi ṣe mọ̀ sí o.
Ó túmọ̀ sí wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀.
bí èmi ṣe mọ̀ sí o.
So báwo ló ṣe lọ yín báwo ló ṣe mú yín wọ iṣẹ́ ẹ máa gbá mi gbé kébù síta tó bá ti pọ̀ mọ́ wá gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣàlàyé díẹ̀.
Ó sọ fún àwa mẹ́ta la máa ń ṣe èmi Ṣèyí àti Táìní Quadri Táìní tó jẹ́ Quadri so ó sọ fún nǹkan náà wá pé ṣé a lè máa ṣọ̀kọ́ báyìí.
Ta ni ọ̀dọ́ ẹ̀?
mo ti ṣàlàyé fún àwọn.
ọ̀gá tó dìde mi ta kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ ta jọ́ eléyìí tí olùjọ́ yẹn. Okay. Ó yá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó kọ́kọ́ sọ fún yẹn tó dáa ṣe máa padà sọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́.
I no dey understand wetin dey talk.
Don't worry, just calm down. Don't worry, no rush. We dey here for you now.
Okay.
No rush.
Ó sọ fún Ṣèyí. So ìyẹn lé ó bá èmi sọ̀rọ̀ tó ta fi bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Okay, òun ló sọ fún Ṣèyí. Ṣèyí ló bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Báwo ni ẹni kẹta yín ṣe wá wà nínú ẹ̀?
Àti Quadri náà.
ṣé ta ló sọ fún kọ́dì náà yìí mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta?
àjọ àwa mẹ́ta
Ṣèyí sọ fún wa àti kọ́dì the same time. Okay,
àwa
lẹ́tí
mẹ́ta
gbọ́.
lájọ máa lọ bí iṣẹ́ papọ̀.
Okay. So láti tó bí ẹ̀ mélòó lẹ́tí bá mú kébù bọ́ta tó dẹ̀ ti wá gbà lọ́wọ́ yín? Bí èlé ló dẹ̀ ló ti fún yín?
Ìgbà tá a kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn wọ́n máa fún wa ní 15,000. 15,000 kò ń ṣe èèyàn kan o, papọ̀ la èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan ní mo mí níbẹ̀ yẹn.
No, kò tí ì yé mi, wọ́n máa fún 15K.
Like àwa mẹ́ta 45,000. So èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan, so later ó di 20,000 ìgbà míì kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n lè máa fún wa ní 25,000 but ìyẹn bóyá bí ẹ̀kan ṣá.
Ṣé bí kébù tẹ bá mú síta bá ṣe
bó bá ṣe kiri nísìnyí but kò ṣe every time.
ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ pé bolo máa ń tà sí.
ọmọ obìnrin.
Ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Òkè ó yá tẹ̀síwájú. So àwọn owó tó ń fún yẹn kí làwọn tẹ̀ fi máa ń ṣe báwo lẹ ṣe?
Owó tó máa ń fún wa a máa fi ń jẹun.
Okay.
A máa fi ń jẹun.
Ṣé kọ́mpìnì ò fi sanwó fún yín ni?
Wọ́n máa ń sanwó. Wọ́n máa ń sanwó.
Ẹ tún fi yẹn ṣe ọmọ jámẹ́rẹ́mi, right?
A máa fi ń sustain ara wa.
Bọ̀ nínú ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ tá a ṣe fóun lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ó sọ pé.
Kí n tó débí báyìí ni bàbá olówó ti bá a ṣe fídíò kan ó dẹ̀ ti sọ fún wa pé ẹni tó ní fátìrì ó ti sọ fún wa pé kò sí nǹkan kan pé anything tó bá ti bèrè lọ́wọ́ wa ká sọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àti èmi rẹ̀ sí nínú anything more than that. So nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ìgbà tó dẹ̀ bèrè
ni mo sọ fún wa. Ìjọ tí man tí ó dìde lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín ká tó interview yẹn tó rí kébù lára yín ṣé lóòótọ́ ló pe Odiaon tó ní ló sọ pé Odiaon sọ pé kò
ní ẹ mọ̀ àárín wọn làwọn yẹn wà.
Ẹ̀bọ̀ lóòótọ́ lẹ́yìn gbé kébù yẹn lọ́jọ́ náà kò dẹ̀ sí yáwá àbí.
Mi ò mọ̀ pa.
Kí lórúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ tí lè dé?
Rilwan. Àtàndá Rilwan. Ọmọ Ṣàgámù.
Ẹ tí lè dìde ẹjọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn torí àbọ̀bọ̀ yẹn náà ṣì máa sọ tí olóhùn gbogbo Yorùbá tẹ́ sọ látàárọ̀ ẹ máa wá sọ ní English díẹ̀ pé. So now Odiaon, what this man is saying is this. He said, because I asked him, those cable this guy said he arrested him for that he took from the company. How come? Where has he been selling it? He said he did not sell cable. That you do collect the cable from him, Seyi, and one other guy. Tiny, thank you. Those three guys that have been working for you. There are times you give them 20,000, 40,000, 15,000 when you collect the cable. So now I want you to react to that.
Point of correction. I don't have anybody that is working for me. Seyi is not working for me. Tiny is not working for me. According to as you said, that those working for me. I don't have company where they work. Like I said earlier, I am the chief supervising officer for the zonal commander.
No, you say you're the
zonal commander. That's what I'm
commander.
saying now. It's still supervising of zonal commander of Ever Security Cost and Equipment Limited. So this man that is here has not given me anything one day, and I've not given him money one day.
So I guess you understand the English you just said. React to that.
Actually, I'm not the one you normally give money. Kò ṣe mi ló máa fún lówó. Ìkẹta wa yẹn ṣe wọn ló máa fún lówó.
You give him the cable.
He has collected the cable from me before. Not once, not twice.
Yes.
I've never collected cable from him.
Okay.
I've never.
Ṣèyí yẹn àti Tanya ẹ̀bọ̀ làwọn yẹn wà.
Àwọn ti stop iṣẹ́, wọ́n ti sack wọn.
Okay, wọ́n sack wọn before kí incident ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Okay.
So Mr. Odiaon, are you saying you've never met him before?
I did say I have not met him before. I know him as a worker in one of the companies there.
But you've never had any dealings
I have
with him
never
before?
have any dealing with him. Let him bring his proof. I've never have any dealing with him. I don't have any business with him.
So you have no business with cables too?
I have no business.
Even those ones that were sacked, you never had any
I don't have any
them
dealing with them.
Alright. You have something to say?
No.
Okay. So
Arrested them. And after arrest is made, we'll take them to Ilese police station because our company is under the jurisdiction of Ilese police station.
So
and after that, we charge them to court.
okay.
But at the time when we charge them to court, I will follow the case up
Okay.
till judgment is delivered.
Okay.
And once judgment is delivered, because I'm not working for the company, they don't give me letterhead to collect judgment. All the judgment has been piled up in Agbara magistrate court there. If we go there now, they can still refer back to all of them. But I only have my own record where I keep all the judgment of every case that I have finished. And at a time, it got to a point that when the security will arrest criminal, the Chinese will say that after you arrest this criminal now, they will just say take to police station, because I'll be telling them once you arrest criminal, a suspect, you don't beat them. But
So-
all this while now they refused. They have been anytime they catch thief now. And me presently, I'm not the one working for the company. So there is an oga generally who is in charge of, who is the chief security of the company.
Okay.
His name
What
is
you are trying to
Andrew
say
Larry
now-
Asubalaja.
Alaja, okay. What you are trying to say now is the allegation. What's her name? Eniola said a day he arrested.
That is
Sorry,
what I'm
what's your
saying.
name?
Rilwan.
They
Really
were
one.
arrested.
Please. That when they arrested really one,
Mm.
and he called you, said he should release really one.
No.
You are saying it is not true.
He called me that they stole, and he is the one that is here now. They stole, they were caught, and they were forwarded to my office. He is the one that is here, so I'm
So
not
you
lying
never
against him.
asked them to release him.
After much interrogation, collected the exhibit for them, we returned it, and we tell them not to do it again. This is the one here.
You didn't take it to
Really one.
station. You didn't take it to
That time we did not take it to station.
Really
We
one.
want him not to do it
Kini
again.
lọ́wọ́ àbí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Sure release her, but you never
Or anybody will go to police station.
Can you?
So he
you
said,
I did not hear what he
saying
said.
that he wasn't taken to the police.
That's what I'm saying. I did not say I took him to the police station.
No.
I warned him not to do it again. I collected the exhibit from him and returned it back
But
to the
you
factory.
told Eniola to leave him.
And Ola forwarded, when you arrest this guy, you forwarded to me.
My office
Mm.
is inside.
Okay.
If I make any report, there is an office close to the gate.
Okay.
When you forward the report to Odiaon, who happen to be the chief security officer,
All right.
the person will go to the gate. Whatever they do there, I don't know.
Okay.
My own just pass information. This person has been caught.
Okay.
I will call him being the zonal head. He will go and report in his office. What they do, I don't know. But the next day, I will see them come to work.
Okay. Now, thank you.
But you say you don't have office in that inside the.
Inside the place. The
I've
same
told
way
you
you said
before.
you've never met this guy before.
Madam, you can't force what into me. If I wish you can go, you can beg the
No one
police
is
now.
forcing
Let
you.
us take
Nobody
us there.
This is what you have been
I'm
saying
not
since
aggressive.
morning.
Nobody
If you want to do a journalist investigation, you go to the scene of crime. Let me show you how everything is,
Okay.
so that you can get
hold
the
on.
understanding
Now,
on your own.
that very day, Eniola said he saw the cable with you.
Yes.
He said it now that he collected the cable from you. Explain. Was the cable collected from you truly?
You mean the first day?
I'm not talking about the first. I didn't know that day. But
The day that
he
you
said
were
the
caught.
day he called him that he said, because what he said was Odiaon said they should leave you.
Yes, now.
So that was what happened.
Yes, that was what
But John
happened.
said they should leave you.
Okay.
Did I not collect your cable that first time?
See.
Eh?
You wanted to
No,
say
answer
something
now. I
the
did not
other time.
collect you.
Like the first time you
That is
collected
what I'm
it.
saying.
And
I
next-
collected it. I
Next
returned
time.
it. I warned you not to
No,
do it
no.
again.
You said the second time you did not collect it. That's what
I
you
don't know
just
about the
said.
second time.
Ah.
I'm not the one searching them. Oh.
Sincerely, it's
I am
very,
not the
very
one searching
obvious.
them.
You are not being.
Madam, you can conclude on your own, but I am not the one. Am I the one searching you?
No, it's not searching us.
Okay.
At the other gate, which we have other. Am I still the one searching you there?
No, let's not mix issue
I don't
here.
search them.
Hold on, we understand. Let's not mix issue here. The day I am particularly interested in is the day he said he called you, that he saw cable with him.
And
He
they
said
arrested
leave
them.
him.
He forwarded them to my office, to the main gate, to the exit gate, the access gate. And when I got there, you people showed me the exhibit that was with you. I collected the exhibit from you people, and I warned you people not to do it again because I felt that they have stayed long in that company. Normally, I was supposed to just sack, but it's not in my office to sack them. So I warned them not to do it again. Then I collected the exhibit for them. I returned it back to the factory.
Okay. Was there
He
a
is the
second
one
time?
that is here.
Mr. Odiaon, was there a second time?
There was no second time they were caught.
But he's saying there was a second time.
You
and
were
they
caught second
told him
time?
to go.
The other security have already talked now.
Sorry, yeah, go on. Do you have any other thing to say?
No.
Yeah, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
I'm speaking.
On the 26th of October, which is last month, I was working in another company since last 2 years when I come out from Lagos Star.